National Covers is America's #1 choice of boat covers and bimini tops. For over 25 years, National has offered superior products at competitive prices, all backed by outstanding customer service. If you are looking for the best bimini top on the market, look no further than the Summerset Elite Series Bimini Top. Our top-of-the-line Summerset Elite Bimini Tops are handmade from Sunbrella marine-grade fabric. Sunbrella is a leader in outdoor performance fabrics, including marine-grade solution dyed acrylic fabric that is UV-resistant, water-resistant, mildew, and rot-resistant. This makes Sunbrella a popular fabric choice for bimini tops and boat covers. The solution dyeing process embeds the color into the thread before it is woven into fabric. This ensures that the fabric will remain color-fast and vibrant even after years of exposure to the elements. Unlike many other fabrics, Sunbrella is made from acrylic that won't harden or crack over time. The Summerset Elite Bimini Top comes as a complete kit, including canvas, frame, and mounting hardware. The Sunbrella canvas is constructed by hand to the highest standards, including double-stitch seams and fully finished underside. The edges are reinforced for enhanced durability. There are full-width sleeves at the front and back of the top, and a shorter center sleeve to make for easy installation. At each corner there is a sewn-in D-ring. This provides a handy attach point for accessories such as sunshades. Sunbrella canvas is also available in a wide variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. The frame is double-polished 1-inch super-trued extruded aluminum and significantly outperforms the standard 7/8-inch tubing used for most other biminis. No drilling or screwing is required to assemble the frame. The poles simply snap together. Each kit comes with 180-degree swivel mounts to allow for mounting on a variety of boat surfaces. Mounts are attached with stainless steel hardware that will not oxidize or rust. Summerset Elite Bimini kits include rear support poles and front tension straps that allow you to adjust the bimini position and tightness. Your kit also comes with a storage boot to keep your cover neatly stored when collapsed. Summerset Elite Bimini tops with Sunbrella are designed to satisfy the most discriminating customers. With marine-grade Sunbrella fabric, heavy-duty frames, and stainless steel mounting hardware, this kit is manufactured with the highest quality materials for superior durability. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.